Hey guys, today you're going to learn how to drive traffic to your website and also how to monetize traffic. I'm going to show you a website that has already given out $635 million last year. I'm going to show you how you can get a slice of that pie. So let's go check out the stats and see if this is a website that will be right for you. So we can see the global rank has got 35,000. The country rank is Germany, 5,000. If we go down to traffic overview, we can see this platform gets over 1 million visitors a month. It's phenomenal. If we go down to traffic by country, we can see Germany top, then UK, France, Netherlands, and then USA. If we go down to traffic sources, 60%, a huge amount, is direct, then 4% from referrals, 11% from search, 1% from social. Let's go down to that search, and we can see that 98% is organic. If we go down to social, we can see that Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, and WhatsApp are all crushing it for this platform. So stats look pretty good. Let's go check out the website. It is awin.com. Now there's two ways to use this. So you can use it to drive traffic to your website, which costs money. Or on the flip side, you can monetize your existing audience for free. So it doesn't cost you to do that. So here's the deal. It says, we create trusted partnerships that drive growth. Our global affiliate marketing network empowers advertisers and publishers of all sizes to grow their businesses online. And then it says, become an advertiser. Now, if you want to go ahead and do that and connect with brands, influencers to promote your brand rather, then you'll be able to do that. But if you want to make money, then we go to the publishers tab there. Click on that and it says, partner with the world's leading brands. Create long-lasting, profitable partnerships by promoting products and services to your audience. Now, at this stage, I should say I am not affiliated with this website in any way. So this is a website that I know people are seeing success with. I know people are making money from this platform. So I thought I would share it with you guys too. And then it says £635 million. I thought it was dollars. It's even more. So £635 million earned by our affiliates last year. 260 affiliates join our network every day. 15,000 brands on our network across all sectors. And then it promises faster and more consistent payments. Intuitive, easy to use platform, expert support team. So how it works is you will sign up with this platform. Brands that use it, advertisers that use it will connect with you. They will pay you to mention and promote their products and services. And then the fees that you earn, well, of course, Awin take a small percentage of that, and then you will get the bulk. So that's how it works. It's a really easy to use platform. It's a really easy way to monetize your existing audience. Or if you want to drive traffic to your website and you have a budget, then you'll be able to hook up with influencers and bloggers who will be happy to promote you in exchange for money. But listen, if you don't want to do that, if you want to drive traffic to your website for free, if you want organic traffic, I'm going to give you the mother of all traffic strategies for free when you go to profitcopilot.com/traffic. Grab that. It won't cost you a penny. And if you found this useful, give it a thumbs up below. Subscribe to the channel too. Hit that little notification bell so you never miss an update from me. And I will hopefully see you again in a couple of days' time. Take care.